Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the net and confirming space. Safety first, but act quickly. Place the net roughly 10-15 feet from your hitting zone and confirm ceiling clearance, then anchor it with stakes or sandbags so it won't shift. Start by hitting soft wedges or a 7-iron at half power to gauge rebound and distance. Listen and watch ball flight. Make small stance or alignment adjustments. Once you see consistent catches, increase power incrementally while keeping your head steady and club face square. You now build the session with intention. Increase swing power stepwise so the net and anchors handle the load. Move from 60% to 80%, then to full swings while observing how the net deforms and where the ball contacts the surface. Focus on club face angle and body rotation. Small changes in setup yield big differences in rebound. Use simple feedback tools like phone video, alignment sticks, and impact tape to diagnose misses. Make measured adjustments between shots and repeat patterns. You finish by cooling down and inspecting your setup to extend its life. Take 10 easy swings and then check all anchor points, stitching, and net tension so small where spots don't become failures. If you experience errant rebounds or balls slipping through, make sure tension is even, anchors are tight, and tee height isn't too high. One effective troubleshooting tip is to add rear padding or adjust the net angle slightly downward to absorb energy and prevent backsplash. Put gear away dry and store properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.